While this is the last video of the chapter 2, in which the points kept in mind while selecting the forms of business organization, there are a number of forms of business organization, which one is the best that can be selected. We have to be define the nature of the business. The first is the nature of the business. There are a number of types of business activities. In the most important fact of selecting the form of business, if the business requires personal attention and direction and direct contact, sole proprietorship and partnership is preferred. Sole proprietorship or partnership is preferred. The firm involves random services preferred to the sole proprietorship, and partnership is preferred. They are the best in which the business can be run in a simplest manner, and the number of other ways are there. So the next point is the capital consideration. The capital consideration is the next of the important point, while how much amount we have to be invested and how much we have and how much we have the borrowed fund we have to be collected. That is a liability which is to be taken. So the capital consideration is the other important point fact, which helps in deciding the form of business. In amount of the financial requirement, business requires less amount of financial, prefers sole proprietorship and partnership. The next point of degree of control, while the control is with the one man or the number of persons or any selected members, there are a number of forms of business organizations. So the degree of control is also the important way. If the businessman desires complete and the independent control over the business, then he has to prefer sole proprietorship firm. If the businessman does not mind sharing the control, then they can go from the partnership or company. The next is the legal formation. While the number of business forms of organization are different legal formalities, so when we have a less legal formalities, so we start the sole proprietorship or a partnership, and while in the other forms of business organization has a more legal formalities. The next is the liability. Another important fact which helps in selecting the forms of business organization is degree of risk involved. For high risk of ventures, people prefer company forms of business or cooperative organization because the liability of members is limited in this type of formation of business in a liability. Then next is the management ability. While in a single form of business organization, in a sole proprietorship, the management is not that much good. In the partnership, it can be decided by a number of other people, and the cooperative society and the company form of organization has a good way of management ability, where the number of people are to be hired to work for a business organization. So which one we have to be selected, that can be kept in mind before selecting a business form of organization. The next is the flexibility of operation. The business which requires high degree of flexibility should prefer sole proprietorship or partnership firm, where making change and taking decision taking a long time of company form of business organization is best. The next is continuity. While in the number of forms of business organization, there are a number of way of continuity of the business. While in a sole proprietorship business, the continuity is less. In a partnership also the continuity is less. But while we are starting a cooperative society or a company, where the continuity is more, because in which the company can be run by its name, not by its members. So the company can be run while the persons may come or enter. So there are several parameters while we are selecting a business form of organization. So while capturing these main points, we have to be select the which one is the best that can be selected. That type of form of business can be selected by a person. Thank you.